It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 14th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Another warm day today, but troughing moving north of the state will usher in some cooler air over the next several days. Maybe a slight chance of a shower tonight into tomorrow. And what about some more unsettled weather this weekend or next week? Is that still on the table? Well, a lot of questions. Let's see if we can find some answers. We'll check the almanac first from yesterday. 83 degrees, the high in the valley after a morning low of 60. And outside right now, here at around 8:30 a.m., we are under partly cloudy skies in the valley. 64 degrees presently at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 43, humidity 45%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning. 55, the cool spots at Buckeye and Maricopa. Otherwise, it's generally in the upper 50s to middle 60s across the area. Water vapor satellite view. Ridging is getting out of here and troughing moving into the west, and that will stay mainly north of Arizona over the next several days. The watch warning map, wind advisories for the northwest part of Arizona up around Mojave and parts of Coconino County. So if you're up toward the Grand Canyon, Kingman, Bullhead City, Lake Havasu City, be aware of the fact that there could be some locally gusty winds, especially across Nevada as well in the Sierra. Elsewhere, red flag warnings, high fire danger, parts of the Plain States, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and freeze warnings continue in parts of the deep south, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and frost advisories extend as far south as North Florida. Still some winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories from upstate New York through much of New England as they continue to get hammered by locally heavy snow. On the convective outlook, there's a marginal risk of severe storms today, kind of unusual, north of the state, up across sections of Utah to include Salt Lake City, Ogden, Provo. And precipitation for the next 7 days across our region. Well, the WPC guys have nothing for us here in Arizona. Some light precip in the rim country and across the northern part of the state. And, of course, heavier totals in coastal Southern California. And the forecast is still pretty complex and littered with uncertainty. We'll try to sort through all the details as we get out to the models now and check it out. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. There's that trough coming into the western United States today. Shortwave passing mainly north of Arizona. And as a result, down at the surface, winds on the increase, especially in northern and northwest Arizona, southern California, southern Nevada, and points to the north. Clouds on the increase today, and widely scattered showers will be possible across northern Arizona later this afternoon and tonight. Highs today should generally be in the upper 70s and low 80s for us here in the valley. It'll turn breezy this afternoon. Tonight, I think we just keep it partly cloudy with lows mainly in the 50s. And then tomorrow, I guess we'll say a very slight chance of showers here in Phoenix, but the better chances will again be across central and northern Arizona over the high country. But don't be surprised if we get a light shower. It won't really amount to much of anything. Measurable rain not really expected, at least not on a widespread basis. But it will be cooler tomorrow and locally breezy with high temperatures in the low to mid 70s. Highs around 70 to the low 70s on Friday with partly sunny skies continuing. Then on Saturday, more shortwave energy passes primarily north of Arizona, close enough to prompt some widely scattered showers across the northern part of the state. But here in the valley, I think we're going to stay dry Saturday. Partly sunny skies and high temperatures, about 70, maybe low 70s. Now, Sunday, there could be an isolated shower here in the valley. The moisture comes on in, and we'll have partly sunny skies, Pacific moisture overhead. But I think all the dynamics and forcing stays just far enough to the north to give us a mostly dry day. And only widely scattered showers over the northern part of the state. Now, Monday, we could warm back up a bit, back into the mid-70s, as we'll be kind of between systems. Troughing digging well off the west coast at this point, but that system doesn't look to come inland at all anytime soon, as the GFS is really backed off of any precipitation for a while, at least until the middle part of next week. Here's Tuesday. You see the surface low is now west of San Luis Obispo, and we're still going to be dry. We'll have plenty of mid and high-level clouds, but no precipitation around here on Tuesday. At least that's how it looks right now, and high temperatures in the mid and upper 70s. And here we go to a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 21st of March. There's no model consistency out here. Model spread grows quite a bit as well, so buying into any one solution at this point, probably not a good idea. But this run of the GFS does show a pretty impressive trough beginning to make its way onshore. Southwest flow aloft, good moisture advection, quite a bit of shower activity, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm as this comes through next Wednesday and Wednesday night with high temperatures mostly in the mid and upper 60s. But since there's really no confidence, I don't know if this is really a valid solution right now. It's a little bit too far out. We have plenty of time to watch this. It does appear that a period of unsettled weather will continue into the middle part of next week, and temperatures should be below average. But just how much rain we get and how cool it is still remains to be seen. All right, here's Thursday, the 22nd. That looks like a zonal flow. High temperatures mostly mid-70s. And then the end of the forecast period, Friday, the 23rd. Again, a zonal flow. Partly sunny skies. High temperatures mid, maybe even upper 70s. Checking the numbers off the GFS ensemble through the period. And after today, we cool it off, and temperatures may be below average for a while, at least through the middle and maybe even latter portion of next week before we see a recovery in temperatures back toward where you'd expect them for late March, and that's in the mid-70s to maybe around 80 degrees. All right, that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, well, you can click like, for one, but you can also subscribe to us so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll get the notification letting you know that it's up there. And you guys have yourselves a great Wednesday.